Hey, what's up guys, Rado here, and you are looking at 2019 KTM 350 XCF. I know it doesn't look like it, right? So what happened here? Let me tell you a story. This bike belonged to Jay Clark from Dirt Bike TV, and he got 2019 KTM 350 XCF. You know how it looks, right? And then he wanted to build a bike for a dirt rider and wanted to do something unique, something a little different, and also he's a Honda guy, likes the red color. So he decided to take this bike through what I call brand reassignment surgery, and it was pretty drastic. He had to go down to the frame, change the color and the identity of the bike by turning it into red, and then build the bike back with pretty much all the same parts. But if you want to turn your KTM into gasgas, you need to get a different tank if you want to go with a stock tank. We are running big IMS oversized tank here, but we also have a stock tank if you just use it for the track. So that's what Jay has at home. And other than that, you need new plastics. So these are new UFO plastics that are gasgas plastics, and they fit everything on a KTM. So this right here is gasgas / KTM. I don't really know. Tell me below in the comments how do we call this bike? Is it gasgas now? Okay, so this is 350 XCF, which I think is the best overall dirt bike for all kinds of riding. The track, trail, slow, fast, technical. You can pretty much do everything on this bike. So when Jay built it, when he had the frame all red, all parts back with gasgas plastics, then he throw some protection on the bike, since this is an off-road bike. So we got some bulletproof, we got P3 carbon, we got new chain, sprocket, we got new foot pegs, all that kind of stuff. If you guys are working on your dirt bike, don't forget that you can get majority of the parts from your local dealer. If you want to know what they have in stock, you can jump on PureMoto.com and you can check the inventory of your local dealer online. Decal MX did this unique looking yellow and red, which I never seen. This combination is very unique. Let me know how you like it. And also the Moto seat did this matching seat cover, so the bike looks really good. Now what I want to do today, I want to take you to all those different kinds of terrains and see how versatile this bike really is. Bike is loaded. The first stop would be the motocross track. I'll see you at Kauai. Dude, I'm coming too long on those doubles. This bike is fast. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah, man, I'm overshooting everything. Dude, this thing is fast and smooth. I love it. So last week I was here at 125. I had to keep it wide open on some of those turns, hitting the step up. But this thing is just, dude, almost like no effort. Just keep a little momentum and it flows like a river. Beautiful. Alright guys, let's hit something a little bit different. Oh man, this power is so good. Let's do some slow first gear thing here. I'm not even touching the clutch. That's pretty cool. And I'm gonna brake a little bit so That's not killing the bike. Okay, clutch in. Can jump up on this rack. You lost the front end there almost. Here's another rack we can do. It's a little bit steeper. There's another rack. So you really, need to have a bike that kind of can do it all. When you go on a slow technical riding, usually that's what the issue is with four-stroke bikes. They tend to die easy, and then it's just a headachy thing to keep it running. You need to clutch it a lot and all that. But this one actually feels pretty good. Alright guys, back from riding, and I have to tell you one thing. I need 350 XCF! Man, what an amazing bike. Seriously guys, 350 XCF, this bike or FX from Husky or EX from GasGas. It is the best bike, the best overall dirt bike that you can get for your money, period. That's what I think, that's what Jay thinks, and the more I ride these things, the more I realize that I need to have one somewhere in my garage. There is a 350 FC, which is amazing, incredible bike too, and I love it on the track. But this thing is just great everywhere. Especially the last riding, the kind of faster flowy trail when I was like a third gear and going on it like floating on top of the rocks and then little bumps and that. Man, this thing loves it. The suspension was so nice and plush. It ate completely everything that I threw at it on the little bit faster flowy stuff. And also it ate everything when I was slow, and on the track it felt amazing too. So it's just an amazing package overall dirt bike. You guys, seriously, you're looking for the bike that can do it all, this is it. The 350 engine is just enough. It has enough power to put smile on your face, to really keep it excited. Like if you go on a gas, this thing pulls and pulls hard. But it doesn't get you into trouble easily. It's not a jerky power. It doesn't give you like a whiskey throttle problem where it would get you into trouble because of that. So it's really the best engine package that you can have. 6-gear transmission and different ratio than your FC or SX bike. Works really good. I like it. The second and third gear, that's all you need on the track. Third gear is kind of long, so you can just spin it in third gear and do pretty much all the tracks, unless it's really wide open and you need to be in a fourth gear. But most of the things that I did today, I didn't need to shift in the fourth gear, so it's really good. On the track, even sometimes, I was too fast on this bike, because last week I was there on 125 two-stroke, and I had to carry more momentum coming in a turn, so I was trying to come to the turn on the gas, carry more momentum, and then clear the jumps after the turns. And it was okay on 125, and I liked it, so I tried to do the same on this bike, and I was just long on every single jump, so I had to slow down before the jumps, because this bike just has so much power, and it's very easy to flow. You don't really have to be on it all the time. It's very easy to flow, and it loves that flow. The power is just so good, suspension is amazing. And we also did the testing, right? We went to the slow technical riding, first gear, and tried to kill it. I was going uphill, no clutch and no gas, and this thing just kept going uphill. Tractoring, uphill, it didn't stall at all. Going on the top of the rocks and doing some steeper hills, just feathering the clutch a little bit, and this bike did not stall at me at all today. So Twisted did the mapping for the slow technical riding and also for a lot of power in the higher RPM, so I think this is really the best mapping for the both kind of riding. It works everywhere. It's not dying. It has a lot of bottom, a lot of mid. lot of top. I didn't even shift in a 6th gear today. This thing is so fast, so taking it on a desert as well and keeping it wide open on 6th gear, maybe not that fast, maybe just a 3/4 open on a 6th gear. This is so much blast. Alright my friends, well, love the bike. Let me know below in the comments what you think about this KTM/gasgas. And don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.